Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to make this simple but very neat old TV nightlight and desk ornament. You can find this SVG file on my Etsy store where it's free through Xtool project database. Also, if this is something you like but rather not make, the final product is available on my Etsy store. I recommend you use craft glue as I'm only using super glue for simplicity of this tutorial. There's no special way of assembling, but I'm showing you the most ideal method. The top piece will not require adhesion as you will need this to come on and off as you replace the picture inserts. For this nightlight, I decided to use a very easy to find LED plugin from Walmart. As you can see, the design allows you to simply insert the LED plugin without a need to adhere. In the details of this video, you can find a photo print file which has been conveniently designed for you to easily personalize. As long as you stay within the constraints of each frame, it is guaranteed to fit on your nightlight. You can also easily place your photo without a need to tape or adhere since the top plate holds it in place. As you can see, this nightlight has a unique light effect when you plug it into the wall outlet. The nightlight was designed to look really interesting during the day and also at night. It will also serve as a really neat desk ornament. I hope this guide was helpful in creating a unique nightlight and decoration. If you have any feedback, please don't hesitate to leave it in the comments. If you enjoyed this project, please don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe as I will have more unique project tutorials in the future. Thank you guys for watching.